As we bring you back to Kissimmee here on Motor Trend and our continuing live coverage on this Thursday afternoon, let's take a minute and check in with Bill Stevens, who's standing by with a very special guest.
Yes, he is. Every year when we come to Kissimmee, we get to canoodle here with Rick Schmidt. He's the Vice President and Chief Operating Officer for National Parts Depot. You have been a car guy your whole life. What goes through your head when you're standing out here with all these cars?
I'm just amazed how white hot the hobby is right now, how white hot the market is right now. You know, back in the earlier days, well, I'll just say in the 1990s, we were doing a lot of expansion with NPD. We were looking at building a new warehouse, and we wondered, how long is this going to last? How long is this hobby going to go on? How long are people going to be interested in these old muscle cars? And when I thought out to 2020, I was like, well, it's probably going to be the sunset of all that because all these younger people aren't going to be interested. Holy cow, were we all wrong? We're all because it has never been hotter, and National Parts Depot has never sold more restoration parts than what we're selling right now. We're breaking records year after year, and I just can't believe that we're at where we're at with the hobby, with the car market, with all of it.
Well, there are probably a ton of your parts on a lot of the cars in this building
I hope
here.
so, yes.
And maybe even in this beautiful 69 Copo Camaro that's sitting right next to us. What a fantastic car this is. And that catalog on the hood.
That catalog has everything that you're going to need to restore your Camaro from 67 to 1981 to brand new shape.
It's a treasure trove, Mr. Vice President. Thank you.
Thank you.
You know, Rick said what a lot of us have been thinking for a long time, and he's got his finger on the pulse of what's going on, JK. It is white hot right now.
Yeah, a couple years ago I had the pleasure of going down to his facility and getting a tour of the giant warehouse that he's talking about, and also his personal collection. Bill said lifelong car enthusiast. Yep, and he got it from his father, who was a lifelong car enthusiast.
Yeah.